what comes to your mind when you see a software professional commuting to a sleek office? High salary, luxury life, weekend parties. From the outside, it all looks like a dream job, right? But there is another side to this story. Let's explore the different phases of a software engineer's life and see what's really going on. Yes, the salaries are good, credited on day one, gone by the weekend. Not due to parties, but EMIs, rents, and kids' school fees that burn through most of it. The long hours, tight deadlines, and constant screen time impact both mental and physical health, causing stress, back pain, and even lifestyle diseases early in life. You often work weekends or holidays during religious, and if you don't upskill, your skills quickly become outdated. In tech, if you are not running, you are falling behind. Switching companies might offer higher pay, but it also comes with same pressure. It's a cycle of hope and fear. Hope for a better job, fear of losing the current one. Not everyone's journey is same. Some thrive, some struggle, but the pressure is real. After years of experience, you are finally recognized by friends and family. But you also see peers moving to better paying roles. Now what? Should you learn AI/ML, get certified, try for an H1B? You still love what you do, but the race never seems to end. This is where growth and burnout start colliding. Now, let's rewind. Fresh out of college, full of hope and ambition. But soon he realized a degree isn't enough. The job market is overwhelming. How to prepare? How to stay confident after repeated rejections? The pressure to land a dream job builds anxiety, and the lack of mentorship makes it even harder. If you have been in any of these phases, this channel is for you. At Life After Coding, we are building a space for every software professional navigating the real challenges of this industry. We talk about burnout, career growth, work-life balance, and financial planning. We share real stories from veterans, advice from experts, and guidance for every stage of your tech journey. Subscribe to Life After Coding because your journey does not end at the code. Let's grow, succeed, and find a balance together.